you can say I don't have the years of experience, but what is a year of experience? So in my job as a design engineer, a year of experience could look like sitting at a desk, revising drawings every day
Mm.
and doing nothing more than that. That is really what our job is, making new designs or revising designs on paper. But what I've done with just by because of where our program was and the people that we had available, I ended up on the production. I got lucky, really. And so I was constantly hands on with the stuff. I was redesigning things so that it would actually function properly because we had stuff that just didn't work. And so I did problem solving on the floor of production and then moved on to problem solving in the field. Eventually went to Poland with the company um, for our product and to support our product as a subject matter expert. Um, so yeah, I mean, a year and a half to get promoted to a level two, and then about another year and 2 months to get promoted to a level three, and hopefully looking at a level four soon.
I hope so. I know you deserve it.